Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites so you can act immediately. Confirm your Azure subscription, resource group, and an active Control Nagi license. Next, install the Azure CLI2, X, the Nagi controller binary, and the Latch client on your workstation. Once installed, create or select a service principal and record the client ID, secret, and tenant ID for authentication. Now run as login with the service principal to bind your session. Then export those credentials to your environment so the latch can be provisioned without interruption. You deploy the Nagi controller next, using an ARM template or Terraform to ensure repeatability. Pick the template that matches your scale and region. Once the controller is up, register the Azure Latch by assigning IAM roles and creating the policy set that controls access. This determines who can actuate and when. Then configure telemetry and logging for auditability. Make sure to set NSGs, subnets, private endpoints, and routing so the latch only communicates on allowed paths, and validate endpoints with a quick connectivity check. You finish by operating the latch through the CLI or the Azure portal. Issue open, close, schedule, or lock commands and observe status transitions. After actions, validate with smoke tests and inspect controller logs and metrics in Azure Monitor to confirm correct behavior. If something fails, start with a single troubleshooting tip. Verify your service principal tokens, confirm role bindings, permit latch actions, and then ensure network ACLs and private endpoint DNS resolve correctly. If problems persist, escalate by capturing logs and reproducing the failing command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.